One lady said that if you want to be my boyfriend, you must be ready to pay me. And this is the notion of so many people today. That the same lady was asked, if they give you 5 million naira, what will you gonna do with it? He said, I will do BBL. So that is the way to know the kind of reasoning such person has. They give you 5 million naira, you do BBL. What about if you after doing it and nobody accepts you? Nobody just I don't know. People, any lady who tells you that you will pay him to be your girlfriend or wife, the person doesn't have anything upstairs. Only thing he has is the backyard or front yard. But those things they have can be depleted. If somebody use needle to puncture it and the thing leaks out, she has nothing to offer. Young lady, go and develop yourself. The age is coming on you. You don't have anything. Money, you don't have. Education, you don't have. Common sense, you don't have. Good character, you don't have. Caring, you don't have. But you have BBL.